The freelancer's hustle cash flow is king. You're killing it, freelancers. You're your own boss. You have the freedom to choose your projects, set your own rates, and work from anywhere. It's a dream come true for many. You set your own hours. You decide when to work and when to take a break. Flexibility is one of the biggest perks of freelancing. But let's get real. The hustle is real. Long hours, late nights, and juggling multiple clients can take a toll on you. And nothing keeps the lights on like steady cash flow. Consistent income is what allows you to keep doing what you love without the constant stress of financial instability. Getting paid on time? That's not just good business, it's essential. It ensures you can meet your own financial obligations and invest back into your business. Late payments? They kill your vibe. They create unnecessary stress and can disrupt your entire workflow. They mess with your focus. Instead of concentrating on delivering quality work, you're worried about chasing down payments. You start chasing invoices instead of chasing clients. Not cool. We're gonna fix that. It's time to implement strategies to ensure timely payments. This ain't about getting rich quick, it's about building a sustainable business that respects your time and effort. It's about respecting your time and your worth. You deserve to enjoy the fruits of your labor without constant financial worry. You deliver value, you deserve to get paid and get paid on time, period. Let's make sure your cash flow is as strong as your hustle. Setting the stage crystal clear payment terms. Listen up, this is key. Payment terms are the backbone of any freelance project. They set the expectations and ensure that both parties are on the same page from the get-go. Before you even start a project, lay down the law. Make sure your client understands and agrees to your terms. What are your payment terms? Net 30? Net 15? Due on receipt? Put it in writing. Contracts, proposals, emails. Make it official. This isn't just about getting paid, it's about professionalism and clarity. No more awkward conversations later on. When everything is clear from the start, you can focus on delivering great work without worrying about misunderstandings. Hey, remember those payment terms we discussed? It's a gentle reminder that keeps everyone accountable. You did discuss them, right? Be specific. Details matter. The more specific you are, the less room there is for confusion. Don't just say 50% up front. Specify exactly what that means. Say 50% of the total project fee is due upon signing this agreement. See the difference? It's all about clarity. Clear, concise, no room for confusion. This is how you build trust and ensure smooth transactions. Make your payment terms crystal clear. Picking your battlefield freelance platforms matter. Not all freelance platforms are created equal. Some are notorious for slow payments. Do your homework. Research platforms before you sign up. Look for platforms that offer escrow services. Money is held securely until you complete the project. Fast payment options. Think instant payouts or weekly disbursements. Dispute resolution, just in case things go sideways. Remember, the platform is your partner. Choose wisely. Section 4. Invoice like a pro first impressions count. Your invoice is your calling card. Make it shine. A professional invoice shows you're serious about getting paid. Keep it clean and simple. Include all the important details. Invoice number, date, client information, detailed description of services, payment terms, and payment methods accepted. Don't forget a personal touch. A quick thank you for your business goes a long way. Section 5. Reminders and automation, your secret weapons. Time to get techie. In today's fast-paced world, staying on top of your invoicing and payments can be a game changer for your freelance business. There are tons of tools out there to help you manage invoices and payments. From software that streamlines the entire process to apps that keep you updated on the go, the options are endless. Think invoicing software to create and send professional invoices in seconds, making your business look polished and efficient. No more manual entries or errors. Payment reminders to schedule automatic reminders so you don't have to chase clients for payments. Set it up once, and let the system do the follow-ups for you. And payment gateways to get paid faster with multiple payment options. Whether it's credit cards, bank transfers, or digital wallets, make it easy for your clients to pay you. Automate everything you can. It frees up your time and mental energy to focus on what you do best, crushing your freelance game. Imagine having more time to work on projects you love, or even taking a well-deserved break. Now go out there and claim what you're owed. With these tools in your arsenal, you're unstoppable. Gary V out.